Civet. The civet is a small to medium-sized carnivorous mammal belonging to the family Vivaridae. They are native to the tropical regions of Africa, Asia, and some parts of the Indian subcontinent. Here are some key characteristics and facts about civets. Number 1. Appearance. Civets have a distinctive appearance with long bodies, short legs, and a pointed face. They have a cat-like appearance, but are more closely related to mongooses. Number 2. Size. Civets can vary in size depending on the species, but on average, they measure between 17 to 28 inches, 43 to 71 centimeters, in length, excluding the tail. The tail can add another 15 to 23 inches, 38 to 58 centimeters, to their overall length. They typically weigh between 3.3 to 10 pounds, 1.5 to 4.5 kilograms. Number 3. Nocturnal behavior. Civets are primarily nocturnal animals, meaning they are most active during the night and rest during the day. They have excellent night vision and a keen sense of smell, which helps them navigate and find food in the darkness. Number 4. Diet. Civets are omnivores, and their diet includes a wide range of food items. They feed on fruits, berries, insects, small mammals, birds, eggs, and sometimes carrion. Some civet species, such as the Asian palm civet, Paradoxurus hermaphroditus, are known for their unique ability to digest coffee cherries and are involved in the production of kopi luwak, one of the most expensive and controversial coffees in the world. Number 5. Scent glands. Civets possess specialized scent glands near their anus, called perineal glands. These glands produce a strong-smelling secretion, known as civetone. In the wild, civets use this secretion to mark their territories and communicate with other individuals. Number 6. Conservation status. Some civet species are facing conservation concerns due to habitat loss, hunting for their fur, and the demand for kopi luwak coffee. The civet trade for the coffee industry has raised ethical concerns and prompted conservationists to raise awareness about the need to protect these animals in their natural habitats. Number 7. Subspecies and diversity. There are numerous species and subspecies of civets, each with unique adaptations and distributions. Some well-known civet species include the African civet, Civetictis civita, the Indian civet, Vivara zibta, and the binturong, Arctictis binturong, which is also known as their Asian bearcat. Some of the key challenges they encounter include: Number 1. Habitat loss and fragmentation. One of the most significant challenges for civets is the loss and fragmentation of their natural habitats due to human activities like deforestation, urbanization, and agricultural expansion. As their habitats shrink, it becomes more challenging for civets to find suitable food sources, shelter, and mating partners. Number 2. Human-wildlife conflict. Civets often come into conflict with humans, especially when their natural habitats overlap with human settlements. This can lead to issues like predation on livestock or raiding of crops, which may result in retaliation and persecution of civets by humans. Number 3. Hunting and poaching. Some civet species are hunted for their meat, fur, or body parts, which are used in traditional medicine or the illegal wildlife trade. This hunting pressure can lead to population declines and threaten the survival of certain civet species. Number 4. Climate change. Climate change poses a significant threat to many wildlife species, including civets. Altered weather patterns, extreme events, and shifts in temperature and precipitation can disrupt their food availability and impact their ability to survive and reproduce. Number 5. Disease and pathogens. Like all wildlife, civets are susceptible to diseases and pathogens. Emerging infectious diseases, especially those that can jump from animals to humans, zoonotic diseases, can have severe consequences for both civet populations and human communities. Number 6. Reproductive challenges. Some civet species may face difficulties in breeding and reproducing, either due to changes in their habitats, stress from human disturbances, or other factors that affect their reproductive biology. Number 7. Genetic bottlenecks. Habitat fragmentation can lead to isolated populations, reducing gene flow and genetic diversity. Genetic bottlenecks can make populations more vulnerable to diseases and environmental changes. Number 8. Competition and predation. Civets may face competition for resources and territory from other species. Additionally, they have natural predators, such as large carnivores, that can impact their populations. Number 9. Conservation efforts. Lastly, conservation challenges, such as limited funding and resources, can make it difficult to implement effective conservation strategies for civets and their habitat.